I'm moving to second experiment. In this experiment, it tells that implement a 4-node point-to-point network with link N0 to N2, N1 to N2 and N2 to N3. Apply the TCP agent between N0 to N3 and UDP agent between N1 to N3. Apply relevant application over TCP and UDP agent, changing the parameter and determine the number of packets sent by TCP or UDP. So in this question, what I have told means the first hosting was what I have taken here, the sender. Using the TCP agent, I need to send the data from this system to this system. Second one, what I have told means the second sender, what I have chosen here, it should be UDP agent. I want to give a command of a UGT and I want to send the program. I want to send the data. This one, the same topology for the first experiment what we have taken, same thing I have to adopt, but the path what I have chosen is different. That's it. The same thing we have repeating. So for that one, see the command. For the first one, what I want to give, a TCP agent. For the second one, it is a UDP agent. At the receiver section also, I want to give TCP as well as a UDP. So I need to calculate the throughput. Throughput also same thing. First I am going to calculate for the bandwidth of the 10 Mbps. For that one I am calculating the throughput as well as the N2 throughput. I am combining in N3 and changing the bandwidth 8 and I am taking the same result. Let me check that how to get that output. So initially we have steps we have to follow. For every program we need to follow like that. I think everyone is familiar how to go through that. So I have in the main window of NCTunes, I will just take, see, after doing that you have a file here. Just go for file, choose a new file. You will get empty window like this. Choose the host computer, that is 1, 2 and 3. Take a hub here. I'm just connecting because this is also for node to node connection. I'm doing the same thing what I did later. Okay, if you want a name, you can give that name and all those things. It's just time wasting, so I'm just dropping that. I will go for just edit, choose a name. I will give this as a experiment 2. Make to save that. IP address have been generated. I will check it. So 1.1.3 itself. So it is 2 and this is 1. Okay, let me add a path for it. So I want to go for add and start time should be 0, stop time should be 50 because I have a 2 system. So this is a TCP agent, so I will give a TCP command. TCP space minus P space 7000. Again I am choosing the same port address, minus here space 1024 space 1.0.1.3 destination address I am giving here. Making OK, I will go for node editor. Same steps I need to follow. MAC log packet statistics, throughput of outgoing packets, OK, and here also OK, and go for OK. Next go for second one, click on it, again add. Here I want to give a start time should be 50 and command what I want to use, stg space minus u space 1024 space minus 1024 space 100, that is the timings I have given 1.0.1.3. okay, go for OK, go for node editor, MAC 8023 log packet statistics. This is also outgoing packet, OK, and this is also OK, and this is also. Go for third one. This is the receiver part. I need to give a 2 part, so I will go for add 0 to 100. So it is TCP space minus P space 7000 space minus L space 1024. Okay, go for OK, go for again add Again start time and stop time is same. RTG space minus U space minus W space log 1. This command should be familiar. Have to practice this one. Okay, go for node editor, Mac 8023, log packet statistics, incoming, okay, and okay, okay, you are also okay. I have given the path, I have given the TCP agent and UDP agent. Let me run R. Yes, okay, and then go for simulation, run. Steps all are same. It's running. Wait up to 100 seconds. After completion of that, I want to start and I want to play back. It's running. Completed. Just minimize this. Don't close any term in any windows, just minimize the things and go for simulation, stop. Okay, fine, okay, you got the result. Same like this, it's going to again what you have to do, play back. See, same thing is happening. Now sender 1 is sending the data to 3. Sender 2 is not sending anything, so it is showing the red line. Yellow line indicates it's a path establishment. Understanding? If you want to increase the speed, just go for your, it will go very speedily. After 50, you just have your red line will appear. That's it. It's moving. Data is transferred. That's it. Okay, you got the data here. You just stop this and minimize this. Check for a result again. Here also everything should be minimized manner. Okay, where KIT1, here I have given the experiment 2 result. Check it, you got. Okay, same thing. Fine, open. So this is experiment 2 result. Open. 2 results you observe. After 50 I am getting 0, after 50 I am getting something. Then packets. Okay. Next go for 5. Open. Next M3. Just open that. See, 1 to 100 you have a packets. That's it. You have to tabulate the things. In before I have tabulated the things. No, like this you have to compare the things and you have to calculate. You have to take care across this 50, 51, 52 because 50 N2 also sending the data, N1 also sending the data. At N3 you will get both are added. Okay, I show you the that is how to plot the graph also. Same thing you can repeat here, no problem. And then one more thing what you have to do, man, go for edit and you have to change the bandwidth here. Go for 8. Okay, here also it is something. If I reduce this bandwidth, somewhere it will go on. Okay, 8, and here also it is 8, and here also it is 8. Go for OK, and here also it is 8. You can reduce the bandwidth or you may increase the bandwidth, no problem. Here it will work up to 8 to 12. Don't give lesser, it won't work. It will work up to 8 to 12. You can choose all that. Okay, go for run. Yes. Okay. And simulation. Oh. Okay, it's run. Wait for the why. After the completion, let me examine what you will get. I have decreased the bandwidth. So somewhat you have getting across the 700, 800 range the values. It may decrease or increase now because I have changed the bandwidth. Sometimes you will get same thing, don't worry. But you have to change and you have to verify. Just 10 minutes, finish off. Like this, you have to tabulate the things. Graph, if you require, you can go plot the graph and show. If the examiner asks, you can show it, otherwise not required. Just open the result and show it and tabulate, it's enough. Okay. Simulation, start. Okay. Okay. Get the bar, no need to play again and again, it's okay, no problem at all. What I want to verify next, I need to verify the results. I will go for it. Open N1. Okay, open. So see what I initially what I am getting 700 change, but it is decreased. Like this you have to verify. If I vary the bandwidth, the values what is transferred also vary. You have to show that. Seeing the open, that is what N2, N1 I want to take. N1 I already opened, N2, open that. So just see, up to 50 I am getting, it is reduced. 1000 range you are getting, now it's just 929. Okay, compare if you want to that, want to compare means go for N3 also, just verify it, you will get it. See, doing the same thing, no problem. Can tabulate 5 to 10 values, it's enough. Hope everyone have understood CCN lab, I think, part A experiments. Compared to others, it's very easy, you can go through it, no problem. It's very easy, I think. Thank you.